Pre-order. Oh my god! Oh my god! I am so excited for this! Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. We have another haul today and a very exciting one because I received my first box from Page and Wick. This is a new subscription box. It's a bi-monthly subscription and they are based in the UK, and their boxes only contain a book and a candle. That's why they're called Page and Wick. I discovered them through Bookstagram as usual, and I really like what they did with this book. They showed it because I mean, people do not know what to expect and it's a new box. So we got an idea about what's coming in this box and I'm so excited to unbox it with you. And I also have a couple of Fairyloot boxes and a couple of Illumicrate. I think one of them is has to be the November pick. So yeah, let's just start unboxing these. I will start with Fairyloot. Ooh, I'm so excited, so excited. This is the sequel to City of Nightmares, finally here. Oh, I'm so excited. I love the purple. Stunning, stunning. I showed you City of Nightmares in my bookshelf tour, and this is the sequel that I pre-ordered, and I'm so excited to continue on with this series. Look at how stunning that is. How the light, like the stars reflect the light, that's so cool. Ooh, there is a cobweb there. All nightmares begin as dreams. I love that quote. Okay, I'm so excited to... Ooh! Hello? Hello? So excited to see the inside. I'm not going to say anything in case you didn't read the first book, but I really highly recommend it. Oh, we got a T-Rex. It's another nightmare. I'm so happy with this. We have our main characters here. She cut her hair? I think she cut her hair. If I recall correctly, her name is Nora, the main character. I really liked her a lot in the first book. And it's also signed to everyone who gave City of Nightmares a chance. Oh, that is so sweet. I really loved the first book, and big fonts people. That is so sweet. I cannot wait to read her second book, Rebecca Schaefer. Let me show you the books. Wait. Put the dust jacket back and show them side by side. Okay. Here we have gold and then silver. They just look stunning. I'm so happy I own the sequel now. I really wish we got an art print like the first one of the main character, but that's fine. We don't usually get character art or anything with the pre-orders anyway. So yeah, that's the first box. I'm so excited to read this. The second box. This is another pre-order. Oh my god! Oh my god! one of my absolute favorite reads of this year. Oh, Fall of Ruin and Wrath, the Fairyloot edition. Oh. I dropped this on the books. Oh. Stunning. Okay, let me show you up close. I'm in love with the purple and the blues, and I love that Fairyloot, obviously, they love purple. Look at those edges. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm not ready. I'm not going to sneak peek. So I close my eyes. Oh. I love this. I love this because like the sword relates to the story. The spine is absolutely beautiful. Stunning. Let's see the inside. Ooh, we have the ravens again. I mean, it's not character art, but they are still beautiful. Okay. And it's signed. Is it digital? Yes. It's a digital signature, I believe. Let's see. For you, the reader. Oh, thank you. If you didn't read this yet, please read it. I love the pronunciation guide that we have here because it really helps while reading the book. Okay, I know, I think all people are like me when we just skip the words that look a little bit difficult, weird, unusual. I love this book. Let's see, because I believe there was a reversible dust jacket in the description. Totally flipping it. 100%, 100%. Oh, but look at it here. The corners. Oh, that's a shame. Only the bottom part, but I'm going to flip them because gorgeous. That's why they didn't do art on the end paper, but I would have appreciated having art on the end pages, to be honest, but definitely going to flip this. So stunning. Beautiful, beautiful edition. And also, like, there is no foiling here. So, I mean, why keep it, right? 100% going to flip this. Okay, let's look at Illumicrate boxes. Is this? Yes, I think this is it. This is the November book pick. Wow, I didn't. Okay. The dust jacket is like the transparent plastic dust jacket. Ooh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Okay, I'm liking this a lot. You see? Let's see the edges. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. I love this. I love this. Gorgeous copy from Illumicrate. And the naked cover is stunning. Oh, I'm so happy with this edition. I think it's a Gothic Mystery, something like that. I really want to read this as soon as possible. I heard great things about it. And how stunning is the character art. It's like a haunted mansion or something like that. Okay, it's the same here. And it should be signed. No, it's not. It's not signed. We have like a digital signature at the end of the letter from the author, but there was no signature here. Okay. What? Oh, illustrations inside. Oh, that is so cool. Is it the only one? I think it's the only one. I don't. Oh, there is another one. So cool. So excited to read this book. I like it. I really do like this concept. It's the first book that I have with like a plastic type dust jacket, and I really like it. The next Illumicrate. What? I was like, what's this tiny book? Oh, I'm so happy. I'm going to read this. Do your worst. Look how stunning, how cute. It's a B format. It's so cute. It's a bit dark, but it's like a city view. Look at those edges. Let's see the naked cover. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I love this. I talked about this book, I think it was in my paranormal romance recommendations video, if you want to check that video out. I had a great collection of books there, great recommendations if you want like something cozy, paranormal. I really highly recommend you watch that video. But look how beautiful. I love it. And it is signed. Stunning edition. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So excited. Oh, beautiful books in this unboxing. So exciting. Let's put it here. Now for the anticipated box. We can open it here, I think. Yes. Okay, let me show you the box first. How they pack them. Light the wick and allow it to take you there. Oh. There is a card. November box, Mother of the Mountain. This is Mountain Takayubi. I think this is a mountain that is mentioned in the book. And here we have the edge of an empire. candle. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Definitely going to use this. Okay. And let's see the book. This is standalone, The Sword of Kaigen. And I have been meaning to read this for the longest time. And finally, I bought the special edition of it. I don't have a regular edition, so it's the only edition I own. It is absolutely stunning. Stunning. Look at those edges. I'm sorry, what? What? I mean, I've seen them on Instagram, but in person, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful book. Let's see the inside. Oh, okay, I'm not going to sneak. Oh my god. What? Is that a dragon? I think it is dragon. It is a dragon. A Theonite war story, The Sword of Kaigen. You can read this here. I think I will understand all the symbols once I read the book. And oh my god, look at those end pages. I heard glowing reviews about this. It's very unique. A story between a son and his mother. It's very, very unique. And I really, really want to read this year. And it is signed. We have a letter from the author. Ooh, look at the map. Plain Duna, or planet, I think planet Duna. Author's note. Chapter 1. And big fonts. Which is cool. I don't mind the book is thick because we have big words inside, which is very, very satisfying. Oh, I'm so happy with this edition. Let me show you the inside of the dust jacket. The author. All the colors and like the everything. Oh my god, this was a beautiful unboxing and I'm so happy with all the beautiful additions that I received. Thank you so much for joining me during this unboxing. If you liked the video, please subscribe so you can join the community of book besties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!